For my fellow YouTubers like me, how do you make a thumbnail? How do you customize your YouTube channel to look beautiful? The easiest way to do this is going to canva.com. Once you are on canva.com, I want to show you a shortcut so that you don't come to waste too much time. You're already on the homepage. Just come to search and then search something called YouTube, and then it will show you YouTube channel ad, YouTube display ad, those square, you know them, that they appear when your channel is already good. YouTube icon, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube video ad. I think this is the one that I meant anyway. And then we have YouTube intro. There are many. So we want to, this is a story. So today we want to talk about YouTube thumbnail and YouTube art, channel art. So channel art is very, whatever, when you go to the YouTube channel and that intro, that banner that is on your channel. Yeah. So you click that on YouTube channel art and then it will bring you to a new window, and then you'll see all these are the designs that you can see. You can choose to create from scratch by using a blank template, or pick any design from this one and then customize it to your own preferences. So for me, I will say I want to make a channel art that I want to make a channel art that is for sports. So, which channel art should I make? So all these are designs. You can choose whichever you want. And then me, I like this one. So I'll select that one because it is so simple. Look, 2 images, and then it shows you are there. Still, when you click on this, when you select that design, it will bring you other similar designs here. So if you still feel like this one is not good, you can simply change to whichever you want. Select this one. This one doesn't look bad. It also looks good. And then we have many other designs. So you just scroll to choose whichever you want. I've seen this one. I like this one too. So you can choose. By the way, you need to be very ready before you even come here. Prepare yourself before you do this, so that, because when you come here, there is different options you can take. So like this one is just, I presume this for fruits and those kind of sweet fruits, groceries. I don't know. So we have, this is a channel that deals with fruit, so you can see from the pictures of the fruits that are behind in the background, and there are 4 pictures. So you can come to, you don't like the pictures, you can change to put your own design that you want. You can put your own design, but it has to be specific to your channel. I prefer taking your own pictures, taking pictures for activities that you do, and then putting them here. If you don't find the pictures that you wanted, and you don't have the ones that you don't have your own that you've taken, then you can use the ones that are here, templates. So this one looks good. Let's say this one is for fashion. This one is for fashion. This guy is just double click and then move it around, and then yeah. So this person went and bought some fruits. When you put it here, it will be, if you move it down, it will hide. If, for example, if you're using a mobile phone, it will hide. But for somebody who is using YouTube on the Android TV, then they will see it. But for people who are using it on web, they will not see it. So it has to remain somewhere here, but not below or here or up here, because it will be hidden. So where it was placed by default, that is where we're going to leave it. And then we're going to select the background and then change to something else. So we change to maybe something like, which color? Let's put green. And then this one, you're gonna make it something like, can you put white? Yeah. And then you can change, we say fresh fruits. Fresh fruits. And then now we have this kind of our banner here. You can come to elements. You can look for, let's say, YouTube. Let's see whether we have it, and then you can click YouTube icons. Oh, this is premium, so let's check the one that is for free. And then you click it, you select it, and then you can have like this one. Okay, like somewhere here, let's say here, or should I say subscribe? Subscribe. See what comes. It's pro. All of things are pro. Yeah. So, but let's, for example, we say we want this. It is of course pro, but you can also go to google.com and download this kind of image, and then you put it there, PNG, of course. That doesn't have this kind of watermark, and then you can delete this one, and then you can have subscribe. Fresh fruits channel. So this is our YouTube channel, and then you want to put it this way, so it's very nice. I presume it's really nice. So this is an art that has already been done, and then you can come and as usual, click download as PNG, and then you will upload it on the YouTube channel art. I think I'm going to stop right here. So the next video about thumbnails I'm going to do next, and then stay tuned, subscribe, share, comment.